welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name's Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I got my FabFitFun. These are my choices. My choices for the fall season. I am an annual member, so I got to pick my entire box. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, I will leave some information in the description box below for you guys. But initially what you get is when you open the box, you'll get some paper, some little frilly papers, and this is a booklet on everything you could get or your choices. It gives you some articles as well, along with you do get some coupons, typically HelloFresh, yeah, a little discount code for somebody, you know, if you want to pass along or try to get them to get the box. But yeah, I will leave some more information regarding this below. But I figured let's just do a quick video and I'll show you my picks as well as, you know, you can see a couple different products. So let's get to it. First we'll just start with the stuff that was in both boxes. So I decided to choose the Islands of Italy. I decided to get it's peach champagne. I liked this before and I think my friend liked it. She didn't say too much about this one, but I thought it smelled nice. Again, heavier on the peach, not as much as the champagne note, but I still really like the scent, so that wasn't bad. The next thing is from Two Bandits, and it was the 3-tiered tray, which could be used for many different things. Honestly, I might end up putting like some jewelry, like some candy or something, I don't know, but this one is a little bit stiffer than the one I gave the family member, but still works for me. I'll use it. And the final thing that was in both boxes is the hip lunch pack, and this is a reusable lunch pack. And there you go. So those are the 3 items that were in both FabFitFun picks as well as what I chose. And let's get to the new stuff. So if I could put that somewhere, it's not going to tip over. Sweet. So the first thing I got was from Coach, and it was the necklace and earring set. Really cute, very dainty, but still very nice. So I'll definitely be getting some use out of this. Yeah, even with I have a bit of a tan, it still looks nice. So yeah, it'll look really pretty on multiple skin tones. So that was my first choice. I also got 2 random things. I don't know if anybody else did, but I got 2 samples, which I'll just show you guys now. There you go. I got a Dove Advanced Deodorant in cucumber, as well as, which I thought this was weird, a Heineken. It's 0 alcohol, but still a great taste. And it's actually literally a little mini beer, or alcoholless beer. I don't usually drink beer. I barely drink at this point, but yeah, I thought that was interesting to kind of throw in your box. But those are 2 random free items. The next thing I chose is the Gloss Modern, and this is a hair mask. That's what that looks like. Not a bad size. I do have a good amount of hair, so I think this will last me maybe a month, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. It all depends on what kind of hair day I'm having or when I decide to use it, but I'm excited to try that out. The next thing I got is a skincare from MAD, M-A-D, and it's a delicate cleansing gel. That's what the box looks like. This is a decent size, to say the least, so that's what that looks like. I do have sensitive skin. Sometimes it's weird, especially during certain seasons. I don't know why, but I figured I would try this. I do have so much skincare, but I do like things that say sensitive or delicate skin, because it can be a struggle when you find something wrong and you get that, oh, it can be bad. I don't like it. But I digress. The next thing I got is from Amanda Uprichard, New York, and this is a little, I think they called it a belt bag. It's a nicer version of a fanny pack, I would say. I did get the plus size version, which fits between 16 to 22, I believe, or 16 to 20. So I did get that version. It's decent. I've been going for more and more walks, so I figured this might be a cute little thing. Throw on myself, keys, my phone, and just go. So I thought that was nice. And it feels nice too, so I'm excited to try that out. I'll let you guys know. And the final item is from Our House, and it is a blanket. This is just a waffle blanket. I really did like the kind of forest green color. It doesn't feel the best, but I'm also spoiled because I think the last blanket I got was like this. It's actually on my bed right now. It's like a light soft gray furry one, and that one feels amazing, but this one's nice. I'll definitely be able to use it even if I just kind of throw it over the couch and have something there just in case somebody gets cold. But yeah, really cute, decent size. It's a 50-inch by 60-inch, so not bad. I figured, like I said, I would jump on real quick, show you guys what I picked. I also got the Dutch oven, which is downstairs. I'm gonna clean it so I can try to use it, but I did get that Dutch oven because that was just one thing that I was kind of interested in, and a lot of people were really excited about it, so I figured I would just get it, and that was an extra 15 bucks, so I figured I would try it. But yeah, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Just a quick reminder that you are beautiful, you're smart, you're kind, and if today's not a good day, it's okay. All we can do is try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.